What's good, everyone? Welcome back to our channel and the beginner trading series. This is me. This is
This is me.
My name is Zion, and this is Donnie, and we are
What are we?
the retired young.
Hey,
Come on, baby. Come on.
man, in this video, we're going to be talking about the three types of analysis and how you can use them, deploy them with your strategy, with your edge to increase profitability. If you're somebody who has years of experience in the market or somebody who's just starting out, this is going to be relevant to you because you can take this, apply this, run with it, and let's dive into it without further ado.
Without further ado,
I do love you. Three types of analysis are on screen. You have technical, fundamental, and sentimental. So technical analysis is all about you looking at the chart and being able to analyze, okay, cool, we're in a bullish environment, we're in a bullish trend, market is likely to continue trading higher, and then you make a decision based on entry criteria, whatever the case may be. But technical analysis is like solely on the charts.
and then now talking about fundamental analysis. So fundamental has to do with the general perspective, the general overview of what's actually happening in the market. So, for example, we do have certain events that occur throughout the year that help us get an idea of where the market is headed. Obviously, nothing is in stone and everything is open to interpretation and understanding, but generally fundamental an example would be, yeah, that's actually a great way to put it, is it's very much so based on economics and having a look at news, having a look at what is the current talk abouts when it comes to the financial markets.
Yeah, and I think it's key to understand the relationship between fundamentals and price,
Yes,
right? Fundamentals
and technicals.
and price and technicals. This is something that can really help you sharpen your edge. I mean, if you're somebody who only trades according to chart patterns and you're like, man, all these news and economic things, like they're not relevant to me, that might be the case. So maybe you're super successful. I know so many people though that were in that boat, and even myself personally, I was in that boat for a long time and I was profitable. I was making good money. As soon as I started to consider and understand the fundamentals and what drives price on a fundamental level,
Mhm.
I got on the right side of technicals way more often. And I would say I know this is crazy. This is a wild statement to make, but I took my profitability and probably tripled the consistency, literally combining fundamentals with technicals and just
Wow.
really understanding like how to trade high impact news events. That's something that I mean we've talked about it. We've done
Yes.
sessions and we've absolutely dominated NFP, CPI, like these news releases in real time and how they are usually in a lot of cases the tops or bottoms of major trends. And you can combine technical with fundamental and just be an absolute beast on the charts.
As much as it I totally agree with Donnie in the sense that even I was on that same tip where I was like a straight technical analysis, chart analysis kind of guy. um Having an idea of the fundamentals always gives you an added edge. It always gives you a little bit, just a little bit more information to ultimately factor into your decision making. And then we finally have sentimental, and you can definitely take it away.
Sentimental analysis is all about the overall emotion that most investors are feeling in the market. So whether that's fear, whether that's greed, whether that's excitement, euphoria, whether that's like depression, doubt, and it's the overall sentiment of the market. So if we were to look at the sentiment of, let's say in real time at the time of me recording this video,
Yes.
there is a lot of fear in crypto. We just saw Bitcoin trade to 126,000 and the current price of Bitcoin, as you can see on the right of the screen here, I think, unless our face cam's covering it, which it is,
Mm,
the price of Bitcoin right now is 87,000. So there's a lot of people that are like in fear. They're like, is the top in? Is the bull run over?
mm,
And that could very well be the case. But the overall sentiment is the overall emotion and energy of most investors in the market. And so this is something that I would say holds the least weight really when it comes to the three types of analysis. It's something to consider,
Mm,
but it's not something to focus all of your energy on. Analyzing the feel of the market. And I know this is like maybe a little bit of a weird one to wrap your head around, but this is, I would say, something that's important to consider at times, because if most people are feeling one emotion, you want to observe the masses and do the opposite in a lot of cases. And that can be a profitable approach. Where if most people are feeling fear, you want to be greedy. And when most people are feeling greedy, you want to be fearful. Not fearful, but executing in a different fashion.
mm,
There's a quote, famous quote by one of the most well known investors in the world. And he stated that you want to buy when there's blood in the streets, and you want to sell when there's nothing but euphoria and excitement and greed in the streets, so to speak. And so that's really what sentimental analysis is doing. It's considering acknowledging the emotion, of the vast majority of investors in the market, and making a decision according to also technical and fundamental factors accordingly.
That was so well said. That was so well said. And all of these in time, as you spend more time being a trader in the trading industry, is something that there's skills that you will develop over time, especially the sentimental one, because that's something that over the years I've come to just understand on a very intuitive level. It's something I almost can't explain, but I know because I have so much chart time, I have so much experience looking at the charts. And that would be all for the three types of analysis. We got technical analysis, fundamental, and sentimental. We hope that you understood and have a better idea of what these types of analysis is analysis entail.
These three types of analysis entail.
Three types of analysis.
Analysis is
Analysis. I don't even know anymore.
you're giving ownership to an analysis, bro.
Is that how it works? Analysis.
It's like, oh, the market didn't hit my stop loss. My analysis. Or wait, no, no,
Go.
no. It wasn't my fault that my trade hit stop loss. It was my analysis's fault.
Mm. Oh, so that didn't even make sense what I said. No, but I
I
was
know you're talking.
I was yeah, I'm talking plural. Exactly, exactly. But I don't think that works.
It's all good.
I think I just have to change up sentence entirely.
Yeah.
Is what I have to do.
With that being said, that's going to wrap up the video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Let us know in the comments what type of analysis you focus the most on. And be sure to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And check out the other videos in this series. Obviously, if you're here, you're going through all the videos one at a time, you're taking notes. That's fantastic. Apply what you're learning, number one. And number two, don't be shy to go back and rewatch some videos. And for those of you that are maybe seeing this and you haven't seen the rest of the course content, go and check it out. And if you're looking for a community of like-minded people that are on the same wavelength, that are trading, running it up, and you want access to tools, resources as well for free, go down to the video description. There's some information there, or you can literally just DM us, either of us, on Instagram, the word community, and we'd be more than happy to share the details of how you can join for free. It's completely free. Live sessions, trade ideas, the whole 9 yards, man, for free.
Oh, 9
So
yards.
we'd love to see you there. And with that being said, catch y'all in another video.
Blessings, everyone. Take care.
I'm trying to eat some
Likewise,
fucking
bro. You deserve
California,
that
bro.
shit.
I want the shrimp fried rice with
The chicken,
I want
the
the
soup with the sucking,
I want the nigiri,
the
nigiri,
the
the izakaya.
the karage. Bro, what? I just we're recording.
Yeah.
I mean,
I'm a big sushi guy,
but
honestly.
we have
All right.
like crazy bloopers in here. Like crazy bloopers in here.
Yeah.
All right, let's hit him with it.
Oh, dude, did you
I
hear
heard
that?
that. I
Did
heard
you
that.
guys hear that? Ah.
What's good, everyone? It's Zion. We're back over here.
back over here.
Oh, what the fuck? I don't know what the hell I was
Do
saying.
it again.
Yeah,
All right. So the three types of
yeah.
so the so it was funny the first time, man.
I'm sorry.
You're good. Three types of analysis are on screen. You have technical, fundamental, and sentimental.
Mm,
Yeah, yeah,
sentimental.
yeah. I'm sentimental about this shit for real.
Likewise.